All right, y'all, so today we're trying out some new lashes. I'm trying out magnetic lashes from Ardell, and this is their wispy style. So it comes with this little pot of magnetic eyeliner along with this little brush. So I will say the brush was very helpful. Usually brushes that come with kits like this, I don't feel like they really have much of a use, but the brush was really small so I could get into my lash line how I wanted to, so that was helpful. One thing I will say about the liner though is I do feel like it dried quickly when I put it on, so it was a little difficult to spread. And as far as the lashes, there was a bit of adhesive on the lashes from the packaging and it kept sticking to my finger, so it made it a little difficult to actually get the lash on there. But once it was on, and I was shooketh, you guys. Like, this came out a lot better than I thought it would. And this is my first time trying the wispy style, and I was pleasantly surprised by it so much that I think I'm gonna go back and get some of their regular wispies because this came out really good. I used a little bit of mascara to help my lashes blend in. You should probably do that before, just as a tip. You'll see why. But this is what they look like, and I feel like they came out really good, much better than I was expecting. And the band was actually very discreet, it wasn't bulky at all. But here is why I say you should use your mascara before you apply them, because you can snatch them right off. They do feel sturdy when you have them on, but just to be safe, apply your mascara first. Okay, y'all, we got the magnetic lashes on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of surprised at how good they look, especially the band. I thought the band was gonna be super thick and bulky, but they're not. They're nice. And they're weightless. Like, obviously it feels like I have lashes on, but they don't feel heavy. And the eyeliner was super easy to apply. This little brush actually came in handy because usually brushes that come with things like this are like not very helpful, but this was like thin enough to really get the liner close to your lash line, and it didn't get messy at all. Like I had all kind of doubts going into this. So the magnetic lashes are a go, and you guys know I always usually have to use like my little lash applicators to put lashes on. I did not have to use those. Just using my fingers was good enough, and I feel like they're sturdy. Like I could definitely rip them off quickly. Gust of wind, they might come off. But these are really good, y'all. I would definitely say go pick some of these up if you're just like wanting to get lashes on quickly, or if you're new to lashes, this would be like a great way to like dip your toe in the pond. Okay, all right, so go get you some. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.